Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those tricky purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and comparing two popular models, the DEERC drone D70 and the istone 5 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one high-flying, hilarious ride. First up, ease of use. If you're like me and have the coordination of a potato, you'll want something beginner-friendly. The DEERC drone D70 promises that you'll be a drone master in just 10 minutes. It's got one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Yep, it's so easy, even your grandma could fly this thing. Just don't let her try any 360 degrees flips. Reviewers highlight how the DEERC drone D70 is durable and easy to fly despite multiple crashes, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the istone 5 drone also caters to beginners with features like one-click start, landing, hand gesture photo, /video, and altitude hold. But let's be real. If you're trying to use hand gestures to control this thing, you might end up looking like you're performing an interpretive dance. However, some reviews indicate issues with hovering and responsiveness to controls. So, ease of use? Both drones are user-friendly, but the DEERC drone D70 takes it with its emergency stop feature. Safety first, folks! Next, let's talk cameras. Because, if it's not on Instagram, did it even happen? The DEERC drone D70 sports a 1080p HD camera. It's like having a tiny flying paparazzi capturing all your epic and not-so-epic moments. Plus, you can share those moments instantly with Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Reviewers, however, mention that the camera quality is comparable to a 1990s cell phone camera. But wait. The istone 5 drone also has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's perfect for those times when you want to get that perfect aerial shot but don't want to climb a tree. And it's got real-time panoramic views too. Fancy, huh? Unfortunately, some reviews criticize the istone 5's camera quality as poor and laggy. Both cameras are great, but the istone 5 takes the crown here with its adjustable lens. Flexibility is key, people! Now, let's see who can stay up in the air the longest. The DEERC drone D70 doesn't specify flight time, but some reviewers have noted that the battery life is close to the advertised 11 minutes. On the flip side, the istone 5 drone brags about up to 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to fly around, take some cool shots, and maybe even annoy your neighbors. Clearly, the istone 5 wins this round. Who doesn't want more flight time? Lastly, let's talk portability, because nobody wants to lug around a drone that's bigger than their backpack. The DEERC drone D70 folds down to the size of your palm. So small, it's practically begging to be taken on your next adventure. Plus, it fits in your pocket, perfect for those spontaneous drone battles. Reviewers love how it folds up compactly and handles wind to some extent. The istone 5 drone also has a foldable design and even comes with a carrying case. It's like a little suitcase for your drone. How cute! Both drones are ultra-portable, but the istone 5 with its carrying case just edges out the DEERC drone D70. It's like bringing luggage to a drone fight. Summarizing the reviews, the DEERC drone D70 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and compact size, making it a great option for beginners. However, its camera quality and flight time could be improved. On the other hand, the istone 5 drone has an adjustable camera and extended flight time, but some users have reported issues with its responsiveness and camera quality. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC drone D70 is your budget-friendly beginner's dream, while the istone 5 drone offers a bit more with its adjustable camera and extended flight time. Which one should you get? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and helpful product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where smart buying is always in style. See you next time. Product links are in the description.